everyone. In this video, I will discuss important MCQs of computer networks. Topic is IP addresses. All the MCQs will be related to IP addresses, and these questions are very important if you are preparing for any exam related to computer science, because computer network is the main subject, core subject. So let's start. First question is, how many versions of IPs are there? Options are 4 version, 3 version, 2 versions, 1 version. The right answer is option C. There are 2 versions of IP. 2 versions which are IPv4 and IPv6. इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल वर्जन IPv का मतलब IP मीन्स इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल वर्जन. So right answer is option C. Next question is, version 6 of IP address has how many bits? 64 bits, 128 bits, 32 bits, 256 bits. Version 6. So let me tell you that there are two versions, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is of 32 bits and IPv6 is of 128 bits. So its right answer is version 6 of IP address has how many bits? 128 bits. So right answer is option B. Fine. Next, which of the following address belongs to class A? So these are some addresses, and which of the address belongs to class A? Now, how we can find address belongs to which class? So let me explain you. So see, there are actually 5 classes. Class A is 0 to 127. Class B 128 to 191. Class C 192 to 223. Class D 224 to 239, and class E 240 to 255. Here I am talking about first octet. Fine. IP address has 4 octets. For example, this. So 4 octets, and I am talking about first octet. How you can identify IP address belongs to which class? By using first octet only. Fine. You can identify IP address belongs to which octet from the which class from the first octet only. Fine. So here see, question is which of the address belongs to class A, and class A first octet is 0 to 127. So this is actually the first octet. Fine. This is the first octet and 0 to 127 belongs to class A. So right answer is option A. Next, which of the following is correct IPv4 address? Let us consider 5 options one by one. Fine. So see here 124 first octet, second octet, third octet, fourth octet, fifth octet. So this is wrong. Okay. And in any octet, for example, this is the IP address x.x.x.x, and in any octet I can have maximum 255. That is the broadcast address. So 0 to 255. Fine. C, option C. Let us see the option C. Here it is 300, so it is also wrong. And here it is a combination of binary as well as a decimal, again wrong. Now two options are left, option B and option E. Fine. Option B is also false because 0 1, it is binary, so it is false. So right answer is option E. So option E is the correct IPv4 address. Next, which of the following IP address can be used as a loopback address? Very important question, and you have to remember loopback address is this one, option B, 127.0.0.1. Next, what IP address class allocates 8 bits for the host identification part? Now, as I have explained, IP address is consists of 4 octets, and some octets belongs to network and some octets belongs to host, and it depends upon the IP class. So let me explain you. Class A. In class A, first octet belongs to network and other 3 octets belong to host. In class B, first 2 octets belongs to network and other 2 octets belongs to host. In class C, first 3 octets belongs to network and last option belongs to host. Fine. And one octet is of 8 bits. Fine. So question is, what IP address class allocates 8 bits for the host identification? And it means I have to find the class which has only one octet for host, because one octet is of 8 bits and that class is class C. So right answer is option C. Next, which of the following IP address class is multicast? And you have to remember it. I have explained class A, class B, class C, class A, class B, class C. And what you need to remember is class D is for multicast. So right answer is option D. Next, all IP addresses are divided into network address, and I have already explained this is the IP address and it is divided into 2 parts, network address and network address and host address. So option C. Next, MAC addresses work in data link layer. You also need to remember this thing. Sometimes there is a question, MAC addresses work in which layer of OSI model? In the description box I will also post the link of questions related to OSI model. Important questions related to OSI model. So this is another important thing that you have to remember, that MAC addressing works in data link layer, and where IP addressing works. So IP addressing works in, yes, network layer. This you have to remember. Next, what range of addresses can be used in the first octet of class B? So I have just explained, see here. In the first octet, class A 0 to 127, class B 128 to 191, class C 192 to 223, class D 224 to 239, class E 240 to 255. So question is, what range of addresses can be used in the first octet of a class B network? And I have already explained. So right answer is option D. Next, which of the following is the broadcast address for a class B network ID using the default subnet mask? Class B, and you know already, class B has first two octet network and rest two octets host. And broadcast address means all ones. Broadcast address means 255. Fine. So which of the following is the broadcast address for a class B network ID? Here see, option A. Only last octet is 255. Wrong. Because in class B we have two octets for host. Option C, 3. Again wrong. Option D, all are 255. Again wrong. Right answer is option B. Simple. So right answer is option B. Next, IP addresses are represented by 16-bit decimal numbers, 32-bit binary number, 8 set of 4-bit decimal number, 8-bit binary number. And IP addresses I have already explained, IPv4 32-bit binary, the IPv6 128-bit binary. Next, identify the class of this IP address. And for identifying the class, I have to look for first octet, and it is 229. Fine. So let us again check, and 229 is in this class D. Fine. So identifying, so this address belongs to class D, because from the first octet I can find the class, and I have already explained. Class A 0 to 127, class B 128 to 191, class C 192 to 223, class D 224 to 239, sorry. So this address belongs to class D. Next, how many classes are there in IPv4? Already explained. How many classes? 5 classes. Class A, class B, class C, class D. Class A, B, C I have explained. Class D is for multicasting, and class E for scientific. It is reserved actually, class E, for experiment works and for military IP or for any scientific work. So how many classes are there? 5. Next, what part of this address is the network ID, assuming a default subnet mask. Now see, here first octet is 192. First octet is 192, it means it belongs to class C. And in class C, we have first three octets as network. So in class C, we have first three octets as network. So which will be the network address? Obvious, this will be the network address, because in network address, in network ID, there are three octets. So it is the network address. Fine, so it's very simple. So in this video I have explained basic questions related to IP addresses, which will be very helpful to you. I have explained IPv4, IPv6 full form. IPv4 is of 32 bits, IPv6 is of 128 bits. I explained different classes. I have explained network ID, host ID. Fine, how you can identify a particular class. So this I have covered in this lecture. So I hope it will help you in preparing competitive exams. So thank you.